What's going on? World Wide Web, large subscribers, YouTubers. Guys, it's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. I'm the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I'm back for another instant recall YouTube video review, guys, okay? Breaking news! No, I'm back, guys, to do another video on instant recall. And I'm really super pumped up and super excited. Could I be more super pumped up and super excited? No. I'm excited for two reasons. Number one, instant recall is the premier product coming into my $100 days marketing system. That's number one, right? But number two, guys, I'm excited because, again, this thing is on fire, apparently, right? When I saw it, I knew, well, one of my uplines in another opportunity, Laurie P, sent me this link about, I don't know, it was probably a couple of weeks ago. And as soon as I saw the link that she sent me, I went to work on putting together a website, but not just a website for myself, a website that we could actually replicate to build out a team really fast, guys. Okay. And so that's why I'm so excited, because when Laurie sent me the link, I looked at it, I saw the video, and I'm like, wow, the light bulb went off. I'm like, it's a no-brainer. We're talking about a free app. There's no buying, there's no selling. It's 100% free. You download the app, you get paid $1 for every month you keep the app on your phone. You share it with somebody, you get paid another $1 for every month they keep the app on the phone. And then you get paid actually 2 more levels down on level 3 and 4 at a 50 cents, right? And so I figured, wow, what if we could build a team that could grow exponentially, right? What if we could build a team that would have everything a person would need to share? Okay, so that's what I'm here to talk about in this video, guys. But before we even start talking about that, guys, let's jump over here to the official instant recall website, guys. That's on my webpage. I don't know if you guys know that, right? This is the real deal, guys. Okay, you can find this in the App Store on Google Play, guys. Okay, it's a real app. And if these guys are true to their word, what they say they're going to do after they reach 50K in downloads, guys, then you can truly set yourself up for some serious passive residual income, right? So I'm going to suggest that anybody who actually tuning into the video, just pop over to instantrecall.com. If you want to get a little bit more information about the app itself, I can tell you guys in the video that I'm actually going to show you guys, you can actually listen in on why this is a great idea, right? Number one, we're talking about feeding, right, kids, right, helping feed the hungry. With every download, somebody downloads the app, then you give 5 meals to hungry kids around the world. Guys, I think that's great, right? And so you got some great incentive to join, right? In fact, that incentive to join is greater than the actual money value, I think. Right? Because really, you're really helping somebody when you do this. Again, this is different, guys. And I don't know if you guys have heard of a site called Tapestry, but it's very similar in the sense that they pay you to download the actual app, but you have if I'm correct, in order to be an affiliate, you have to pay, and then you make money as an affiliate, but you have to pay a monthly. I think it's monthly. But the thing is, Tapestry is cool too, but I think Instant Recall is even better. And Tapestry do some great things, by the way. So, nothing against Tapestry. But anyway, again, for you guys who, if you're just hearing about Instant Recall, guys, jump over to instantrecall.com and check out this site. And when you do that, guys, come back to my page, okay? Because this is probably the 4th or 5th video, because I'm interchanging the videos, because I'm actually, guys, I'm building this into my $100 days marketing system. And so you'll see me flipping back and forth before we actually move on with the videos in the $100 days marketing system. In fact, we're up to the last video in that series, because we're going to be talking about income stream number 3 inside of that. But look, guys, let's talk about this for a second. Let's talk about what it is you're going to have instant access to when you join with myself or one of my team members inside of the Instant Recall Cash app. When you download this app, right? When you download this app, you're going to actually send your affiliate link to the person that invited you to this video, or you're going to send it to myself. And when you do, guys, I'm going to create a replicated website for you that looks like this. What's the point? The point is we want to grow exponentially. We want to build a team super fast, right? You guys have seen the example with the Simple 10 plan, right? Give away a free app. You give away a free app to 10 people. 10 people give it away to 10 people. 10 people give it away to 10 people. 4 levels deep, guys. Okay, if those numbers play out, that's over $5,600 a month for an app that you didn't pay anything for, that you could continue to get paid on just for downloading it and keeping it downloaded on your phone, as well as the people you share the system with. So I feel like, why not create a site where we can do all of that right from the site, right? So in this video, what I've done is I got an explainer video that talks a little bit more in depth about it to include feeding hungry children, guys, okay? Also, though, what I've done is I'm going to put your link, your information is going to be right here on this page, guys. Not mine, yours, right? For people who are still a little curious, when they come to the page, they can click here and they can go over to that official website, which is right here. They can learn a little bit more about it right there. They can go straight to the Google Play Store by clicking here, right? And one of the other cool things that's got me excited is the fact that all you have to do is simply share the app, right? Excuse me. So you share this with all your family, your friends, and your acquaintances, right? I'm going to have my daughter. Now, there's no stacking, but of course, I'm going to have my daughter actually download the app. I'm going to have my son actually download the app. I'm going to have friends of mine download the app. So the next thing we want to do, once you start inviting your family, your friends, and acquaintances, no stacking, you want to start using the marketing strategies, right? The techniques and the tactics that I'm actually including on the website, right? Because I'm going to show you guys how to drive a plethora of views or get a whole bunch of exposure to this page, right? And so you guys are going to learn a lot more about that as I unlock the big banner ad marketing strategy. Because right now, that's my #1 ad strategy. I'm talking about traffic that's truly pennies on the dollar, and I'm talking about leads every day. I made a mistake the other day and said every morning I wake up and I see leads. Guys, I see leads almost every hour or every day. Almost 24 hours straight. Now for about going on over 30 days after I've tapped into this traffic strategy. And I pay pennies on the dollar for it. Now I'm putting together the video, so it's unlocking in April. You guys get to see. I'm going to give you guys the banners. I'm going to show you where to go and do that. But in the meantime, I'm giving you guys a free video downloader. Why? What's the big deal? Because, guys, you can take that video that I have on this site, and if you have a YouTube channel, you can download that video and upload it to your YouTube channel. If you have Facebook, you can download this video and put it on your Facebook. So that's why I'm giving away the free download. We're talking about sharing this with the world, guys. This is an international opportunity. Anybody can jump in here and make this happen, right? But I'm also going to be throwing in some other stuff that I'm working on, guys. I'm also making this page, right? This page, right, which will be your page when you join. This particular page, guys, I'm actually going to make a spot on this page available to you guys where you can add, pay attention, your primary biz op right down here as a super joining bonus to the people you're inviting to download the free app. They're not paying anything for it, right? There's no resistance. In fact, it's win-win for them. They can make $1 just for downloading the app. But you can throw your primary biz op. I'm going to plug it right in there, right where it says that, right? And when they click there, they'll go to your primary biz op. So what does that mean? That means that you also get to promote your primary biz op while you're giving away a free app that can make you $1 for every single person that downloaded it. Not to include the $1 that you're going to get every month for downloading it. So you got that super joining bonus link that I'm actually throwing in here for you. And it don't stop there, guys. I think I told you guys, I'm actually going to be unlocking the login starter ads. Now, normally, right, login starting ads already powerful in enough by themselves, right? But the way that we're going to use this in the login starter ads, guys, we're going to jump right up in front of everybody's face. Why? Because it's free. Zero resistance. First thing people see when they log in, right? A free app that pays me? Wow. Duh. That's a no-brainer. But look, guys, you're giving away that free app. You're promoting your primary biz op on the back end. Hello, you're double dipping. Guys, did we talk about the Facebook groups that I'm going to give you guys? You're going to actually I got it on this site somewhere, guys. You're actually going to be able to get instant access to over 100 Facebook groups. These not just any kind of 100. They're actually Facebook groups that let you advertise, links and everything. So look, this is what I did, guys. I thought I put the ads in here, but I gotta put them in here. I didn't put them in this site yet. I got them on the other side, I believe. Yeah, I do. But what I'm gonna do for those Facebook ads, I want to throw some little generic ads in there. I thought I put that in here. Okay, I'm still working on it. But I'm going to throw some little generic ads you guys can throw in there. And what's going to happen is you will be able to click right on, go right to the Facebook groups, right? It'll open them up when you click here. And then you can take those ads that I'm going to create and you can redirect people right back to your site. Guys, I was in Messenger today. I'm a baby boomer, by the way, for those of you guys who don't know it. So I'm not really all that big on Facebook, Messenger, none of those sites, right? And so I was on Messenger and there were people on Messenger because I posted this, I took this video and uploaded it to my YouTube channel, to my Facebook channel, and people were requesting more information, right, from the video that I posted on Facebook. And they were messaging me, man. I was, and so I didn't really know how to respond. I just started writing up little messages in Messenger and sending them back to people. Now, I haven't heard back from anybody yet. I don't know if I did it right, but look, the point is Messenger, right? You can use Messenger, guys. Also, you can text your code to your phone and you can share it via text or Messenger, Facebook, wherever you want. So that makes it a win-win for everybody, okay? So to recap what we're talking about, guys, look, you're going to get a replicate website that looks exactly like this one, right? You're going to, when this unlocks, when this traffic unlocks, I'm going to give you some cool banners and show you where to place this. Now, I'm going to show you guys all that stuff. But also, you're going to get the login starter ad training. You're going to get the Facebook groups. You're going to have those free generic ads you can paste in those Facebook groups. You're going to get to add your primary biz op over here. And you're going to get the free video downloader, guys. That's really big, right? And I think I'm going to kind of limit that to that because sometimes too much is too much. That's enough to get you started though, right? That's enough to get you going, right? That's enough for you to get out here and start sharing instant recall with other people, guys. And again, guys, it's a great cause when you think about what these guys are doing. I can't think of a better way to actually extend ourselves when you're actually when you're actually helping other people. Actually, you really are. So we can build a community around this thing, and it does what it says it does. Then I think everybody is in for some life-changing stuff, right? Who wouldn't want to do that, guys? I mean, come on, really? Wow, I'm super pumped up and super excited. I had to do that video between the next video I had to do because DG, a guy that I actually introduced this to, sent me a link today, and it's to another website that somebody's using to promote instant recall. So people are finding all kinds of innovative and creative ways to promote it. And so DJ sent me that link, and when he first sent it to me, he was like, "Wow, can I use this site?" And I was like, I looked at it, and I was like, I don't know, I guess, because on the site it was saying, enter your referrers, code, that affiliate link. And so I told him in the email, if you do that, then maybe it'll let you access that page. And it did, guys. Now, the page is a little dark, so I'm not going to share it because I think this page is a little bit better because that page is a little dark. That's the only thing I don't like about it. We want big, bold, colorful adverts, right? A page like this, right? That speak to people, right? We want people to get excited, right? We want people to take action. We have ourselves an irresistible offer right here. The fact that a lot of your advertising and marketing can be done right here on the page. The fact that you can add your bonus business opportunity, whatever you want to market and promote down here. The fact that when I unlock this big banner direct marketing strategy, where you guys are going to be getting these every single day. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to do this two ways. I'm going to let you know this now. I'm going to show you guys how to do it with and without a capture page. I prefer the capture page strategy because you're building a list with the capture page. Now, you can still get in front of millions of people when I unlock this if you want to send people straight to this page. But you have no way of tracking anything if you're not using a capture page, right? I mean, you can, I'll show you guys, right? But the point is, you're gonna be sending so much traffic to whatever you want to. By the way, you know, you want to have yourself a capture page. This is why I had to upgrade my autoresponder, guys. And if the traffic keep coming in like it is, I might have to upgrade my autoresponder again. I'm gonna have to ask for a discount if I don't purge my list, because my list is growing every single day using this traffic. I think I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Okay, guys, this is just today, right? It's 3:06 on the East Coast here, right? We look over here on the right. And so just today, when I tell you guys the traffic never stops, it never stops. Now, I want you guys to really understand, right? Because I want to address the $100 paydays marketing system at the same time. So the way I'm able to get signups every day, the way I'm able to get leads every day, the way I'm able to make cash money, not every day yet, but soon will be, is by having this type of traffic. Traffic that's scalable and traffic that I don't have to pay a lot of money for. And if you guys look in here, you can see, guys, this is really off the charts. Just today, it's more than 4. This 4 is for this one marketing system. This 46 is for this one marketing system. This 57 is for this one marketing system. This 17 is for this marketing system, and it's just across a couple of days, guys. Okay, so the traffic, let's go over one page real quick. The traffic just continues to come through, and the traffic doesn't cost me a lot of money, right? I just want to make sure I made that clear to you guys. When we unlock the big banner advertising marketing strategy, you're never going to have a problem with traffic ever again. You'll be able to take that traffic, tailor that traffic, send it to any country you want to include, USA only, right? You'll be able to stop, pause, change your links out, all that cool stuff. So we can share this, guys. Yeah, this is a great offer, right? Because there's no resistance, right, for you, because you're going to be able to help other people, number 1. You're going to be able to help yourself, number 2. And everything that you need is right here on the site. So get excited, get super pumped up, get hot. Go on and join if you see anybody sharing this with you. If you're on one of my websites and somebody's sharing this with you guys, go ahead on, join under that person. Get excited, man, and let's get hot, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next $100 Days Marketing Systems video.